Hey traders, TJ Watkins here. It is, let's see, September 7th when I'm recording this, and not much going on in the markets right now. We've had a huge move down over the last few days, couple weeks, and this has been just working out perfectly. We got our typical Moxie patterns, 50, 250, all of that has been working out really, really well. And in through here, we're starting to get to a place where it's just looking oversold. And you can see we kind of came into some previous support, right in through here and here, and here we are again. So it's going to be having to deal with this for a little while. In addition to that, if you look at the daily chart, we've been pushing at third ATR, so pretty oversold. We also have some gaps in through here. One of them did get filled right in through there. So I'm looking at this. You can kind of see there's a quick little double bottom that's trying to form. We can even see that there's some positive divergence here on the 15-minute time frame. So I do expect something to happen, either flag or sideways up or something to that extent. But once this happens, once we kind of find that support and get that bounce up and through this area, I would like to look for some sort of short situation. I'm looking around at the daily 50, I'm looking around at the daily 21. I think something in that area if price can kind of get up here, because if we look at that and relate that to the hourly chart, like right there, if we look at our crosshairs from here to here, you can see that that will put price just over the hourly 50, a downtrending hourly 50. And here's the big note: the Moxie indicator is super far below zero. So if you want to see an example of what that looks like and why I'm looking to short the bounce basically in this market, is because we've seen this before. And so using the Moxie indicator, we can see in through here, which was all the way back here, that price got over a downtrending hourly 50, and notice where the Moxie indicator was. So that's why I'm saying that if we get a move up like this, we should be noticing that the Moxie indicator is probably going to stay below zero, and it should become an inverse trampoline move, which, as we know, is something to short. It is also something to not get faked out into on a false long situation. So looking at that, any of these kind of moves, you could see that the Moxie indicator was below zero the entire time. And the only time we actually got a decent move was right here when the Moxie indicator fired, and then we got a move up like that. So that's kind of what I'm looking for. See if we can get a bounce like this, and then I think we're going to be going lower. We do have some Fed speak. I think Jerome Powell, ECB are coming out with some interest rates and inflation data. So it could be a bit of a messy, choppy week. And you know what? Maybe some of that information, that news that comes out, is going to spike the market. That's fine. If it does, I'll just be looking for good opportunities to add shorts to this kind of situation here. Anyway, thanks again. See you guys at the next one.
Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.